This is the 2016 Gel Stock Market Simulator. And as you can see, this is a simulation game of the real stock market. Here we have the page, we have the markets. As you can see, the market is not open right now. It is just like the real market. We can go down. These are real companies, shows their real stock price. And here we have the rankings, which is two classes combined, two gel classes at Chaminade College Preparatory. There are 38 players, and we start off with $100,000, and we have the power to buy and sell trades and stocks. And as you can see, it worked out well for some and not so well for others. After playing the stock market game, do you think you'll ever purchase real stocks?
Personally, I don't think I would ever purchase real stocks, only because it's such a time-consuming activity or lifestyle to live in, and I feel a bunch of it is based on luck. And in addition to that, while playing the stock market game at school, like in gel class, I did lose a lot of money, and I'm afraid that that similar thing would happen to me in real life.
So last year you won the game. What did it take to win it all?
Yeah. First of all, you need to really care about your stock market. I'm always on my stock market every day and even every hour. I check my the frequency of the stock market, and like if today is at the end of the trade day, I always look on the Yahoo. It has the stock center, and it has the most gain and most low stocks, and maybe like a 30% something. And then I'll look for do some research on this company's news, like what happened on this company. If this company is just for some accident, maybe it will come up another day. So I'll buy this stock at the end of this day. So that's why.
So what do you think of the stock market game, and what have you learned from it?
I think it's a great game. I've learned so much about stop losses and investing and creating my portfolio, and it's really helping me start my own actual portfolio in the real world.
Excellent. We noticed that you're ranked 11th out of 38. How do you stay in the top half of the rankings?
I think the most important thing is just checking daily and making sure all of your assets are still there. Able to make and purchase lucrative deals that will actually excel you for the long term rather than just short term, because this game's over the period of 3 months. So sometimes you have to know what's best in the long term rather than what's best for tomorrow.
Has the stock market game influenced you to possibly someday in the future putting actual money into stocks?
Well, after doing a stock market game and only having about $100,000 to invest with, seeing how quickly you can lose, we were losing even $200-300 a day. I think that adds up to a lot of money. But I think in the future it taught me that it's really unpredictable, and you need to invest in something more secure, like properties in real estate, because it's property. The value, yeah, it can change, but not as much as the stock can.
Yeah, I think the stocks are pretty interesting. They vary every day, so I would check. I check stocks every day during class, and doing it after school, I'm not sure, because I lost a lot of money during the stock game. It was a fun experience for me, but yeah, I think it's a big risk, so I don't know if I'll do that.
So what did it take to get such a high rank, and why did you drop so much suddenly?
Well, in the beginning of the stock market, I was making hundreds every single day. I didn't build that much until I finally made 1,000. And then I realized that I wasn't buying enough shares, so I didn't get that much money. So then I started investing in these companies that, that are a lot more secure, like Apple, and I invested in a lot of shares so that I would make a lot more money, a lot more profit. But it wasn't enough. When you first start, you kind of fall in love with it and you don't stop, so you just try to see the best way possible. So what I did was I would look in the Wall Street Journal every single day on what companies would drop like 20%. I would look at if their stock volume is way too high, then obviously I don't want to invest in something. I'm not going to invest in 22 22,000 stocks or 22,000 shares. And if they dropped in price or if they just dropped in percent. So if they dropped in $30, I would invest in a lot of that because that's eventually going to go up. So when I invest in a lot of shares or a good amount, it eventually would go up. And as I learned, the market fluctuates. So that led to my fall in the stock market. I was at one point 108,000, and my closest opponent was second place was by 6,000. But I wasn't done. I didn't know that I could lose that much. So I kept with these crazy amounts of shares, and I invested in like 10,000 shares of this one company, and that dropped. And then I was like, all right, let me try and get rid of these other stocks and just have a couple big shares of these companies that will help me out. And those just lost thousands there. And now I think I quit. I got college apps, so now I think I'm at 94,000 or something. And I had it all, and then I lost it.